Hey, bless up, y'all. Makai, the pharmacist here at Freehaven Farms. You see these tomatoes right here. So, yo, understand, it's a change of the season. It's a change of the season. The end of the summer is happening, beginning of the fall is happening. So this is a crucial time for me on the farm. I gotta transition. I gotta get rid of the summer stuff, I gotta get the fall stuff in. A lot of the stuff that I plant in the springtime, I plant again in the fall time. People be wondering what they should plant in the fall time. And the thing is, what I do right now in the fall time, at the end of the season, is gonna dictate how well things grow for me in the springtime, next season. And I use everything here. You notice this raised bed right here. All right, I got it made of wood that's gonna break down. Those are logs from here. I got the lettuce in here, and here's what I'm talking about. These tomatoes, they're done. It's the end of the season for them. That's good for me though, because this is when they harvest the hardest. They be coming in right now. In the tomato season, we got a lot of them. That's a lot of vitamin C. When you eat these, it's gonna give you what you need so that your immune system could be strong for the so-called flu season. You feel me? So you wanna get these tomatoes in you. But here's another thing. You saw me coming through, right? When I started the video and I was throwing all these dead ones on the ground. Now the thing is about the ones that are broken, I'm not gonna waste them. They nasty, but those can go in the compost pile. And the ones that don't go in the compost pile, shoot, my brother that lives in Ghana wants some of the seeds. So he's gonna take some of them, he's gonna go ahead, break them down, let them dry up, save the seeds, and replant them at his farm in Ghana. So that's what I'm saying. Everything has a use. Everything has a purpose. When you growing food regenerative, sustainable, you don't waste anything. You want to use everything nature gives you. You just need to know how to do it. And a lot of things that you might think are bad or trash is actually something gold. But yo, I give a lot more lessons. That's just the tip of the iceberg. If y'all get in this grow your own garden class, you're gonna learn so much about growing your own food, the science of regenerative agriculture. And everyone that signs up gets my book, Pharmacist. Alright, so now you're gonna take the lessons that I have in here that are about growing food and be able to apply them to yourself, to your own personal life. So you're gonna grow while you grow. Get me? Yo, click the link in the bio to grow your own garden class. Join us. We only got 50 seats left. We already sold half of them. We start the last week of September, so I know we're gonna sell out. So I don't want y'all to miss out. Take advantage of this. Stay rooted. Keep growing.